In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of the dashboard view in Trello. This feature is an excellent way to get a visual overview of your board's data, enabling you to keep track of your projects more effectively. To start, let's locate and open the dashboard view in Trello. Begin by looking at the top left corner of your Trello board. There, you'll find the board title. Next to this title, there's a small caret icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a list of different views available for your board. From this list of views, you're going to select the one labeled Dashboard. This will open up the dashboard view, where you'll be greeted with a variety of graphs. These visual representations provide a comprehensive summary of all the data contained within your board. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who loves to visualize their workload and track progress at a glance. Once you're in the dashboard view, you might be interested in customizing what you see. You can add a new graph to your dashboard, which allows you to tailor the information to suit your needs. Look towards the bottom of your current list of graphs. There, you'll see a plus icon next to the last graph. Click on this plus icon to initiate the process of adding a new graph to your dashboard. After clicking, you'll be presented with options to choose from various types of charts. You can select a bar chart, a pie chart, or a line chart, depending on which best suits the data you wish to visualize. Each type serves a different purpose and can highlight various aspects of your board's data. For instance, a bar chart is great for comparing numbers across categories, while a pie chart can show proportionate data, and a line chart is excellent for analyzing trends over time. Once you've selected the type of chart, you can then choose precisely what data you want this new graph to track. You have the flexibility to pick the specific metrics and parameters that are most relevant to your current project or task flow. After setting this up, click on Add Pay. This will finalize your new graph and add it to your dashboard, integrating seamlessly with the existing visual data. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to the dashboard view, understood its functionalities, and customized it to better suit your project management needs. With this powerful feature in your Trello toolkit, you'll be able to monitor your tasks, track progress, and make informed decisions more efficiently. Happy organizing?